Toyota Motor Europe recently celebrated a significant milestone at its Valenciennes production facility in northern France, marking the completion of 5 million vehicles since the plant's opening. To honor the occasion, a unique Toyota Yaris Cross was unveiled, designed by Toyota Europe Design Development. The vehicle features a custom design showcasing the colors of the French flag, symbolizing the importance of this achievement. Among the 200 attendees at the event was Marc Ferracci, the French Minister Delegate for Industry, emphasizing the milestone's national significance. The Toyota Motor Manufacturing France plant began operations in January 2001 with an initial annual capacity of 150,000 units. Over the years, it has become a cornerstone of Toyota's European production. The Toyota Yaris, a standout of the facility, earned the title of the most produced vehicle in France multiple times over a decade. Since its debut in 2021, the Toyota Yaris Cross has gained traction, leading the European subcompact sport utility vehicle market and becoming Toyota's top-selling model, with sales exceeding 173,000 units in the first 10 months of 2024. In 2023, the Valenciennes facility achieved an impressive production output of 273,788 units, making it Toyota's highest volume assembly plant in Europe. The plant's 5,000 employees manufacture over 1,200 hybrid Toyota Yaris and Yaris Cross vehicles daily. Toyota's cumulative investment in the facility has reached 1.6 billion euros, funding new models, technological advancements, and environmental upgrades to support Toyota's commitment to sustainable manufacturing practices.